Title: Timmy the Turtle Learns to be Patient. Story: in a cozy forest filled with chirping birds and rustling leaves lived a little turtle named Timmy. Timmy was kind and curious, but he had one tiny problem. He hated waiting. Why does everything take so long? He'd sigh. Why can't I be fast like Benny the Bunny or Sally the Squirrel? One sunny morning, four of his friends announced the Annual Woodland Race. Everyone was excited. Benny the Bunny bounced with joy. Sally the Squirrel practiced flips, and even Gary the Goat stretched his legs. "I'm joining too," said Timmy proudly. The other animals giggled. "You? But you're so slow." Timmy's cheeks turned red, but he didn't give up. "I may be slow," he said, "but I'll try my best." Race day. On your marks. Get set. Go. Benny dashed ahead like lightning. Sally zipped between trees. Timmy, with his tiny legs, started slow and steady. Along the way, Benny tripped over a rock. He was in such a hurry, he didn't see it. Sally got distracted by shiny berries and forgot the path. But Timmy? He kept moving, step by step, carefully and calmly. He even helped Benny up and reminded Sally which way to go. Finally, Timmy crossed the finish line, not first, but not last either. All the animals cheered. "You didn't rush and you didn't quit," said Al the judge. "You showed us all that patience and persistence matter." Timmy smiled. For the first time, he didn't mind being slow. Moral of the story: good things take time.